This clip got the brake caliper seized up, so we need to take it off and free it out. And we take off this clip here, and off the nut here, and the office clip here, and disconnect the cable here. So that's our next step on our VW. And we just pop off the handbrake cable there. Then we'll disconnect the just get a shot of that there. Disconnect the brake pipe there. That's our next step. There she comes. Put the cable off. Now our next operation is to cut the pipe here. Now we're going to cut the brake pipe here. That's our next operation. So remove this clip here, and it'll get the brake caliper off. Let's put a screwdriver in here. And just knock that clip off. So off the clip comes. And just pull out the pipe there. See a bit of muck on there, it's a bit tight coming off. So off comes the caliper. Now to the caliper part, now we'll get it freed out. So we'll just take out the piston here and clean it. That's our next step. Now we've got our caliper on the vise here. Just put the handbrake lever back and forward. That'll pump the piston out. And the pair of pliers and pull on it. That's our next step. And a pair of pliers, just give it a wee screw out. I've got the rubber here. You see the piston is badly corroded, so we're going to have to clean the piston here. That's why the piston won't go in, it's all corroded here. We clean it up with everywhere and clean it, put it back in again and clean the caliper. That's our next operation. Now on our off here. So when I corrosion is on the piston, take it off. And if any bits in the any damage in the cylinder, just throw it away, you know, it's no good. So that one's not too bad. We'll clean her up and put her back in again. That's our next operation. Now we've got our piston all cleaned down there. We drop a hydraulic oil on it there. Sliding by easier. So next operation, I'm going to put the rubber bit back on the piston here. Then put the edge of the bit onto the brake caliper, into the screws, and then we'll push the piston down through. That's our next step. So onto the rubber like that. And then this rubber sleeve, this sleeve has to go into the groove in here first. Then you can screw the piston in anti-clockwise or clockwise into the caliper. That's what you have to do it. That's our next step. So it's really fiddly, so you have to sort of work it in like that. First of all, before the piston goes in, just make sure the rubber seals in first. And then you work the piston down in this place At the same time, you'll have to give it a wee screw clockwise, and make sure you don't touch the piston part. Just give it a wee screw like that, and the piston will automatically grip on and will come down on itself. Just give a wee bit of finger pressure on it, and as you screw it, the piston will wind back in the whole way. So you just put on your finger, a bit of finger pressure, and that's your piston freed out, and your piston back in its place. And straightforward, simple operation. So now your piston's on the whole way now. And it's your piston freed out and back in. So we'll put our caliper back in now, and we'll assemble her up, bleed the brakes, a little bit of brake caliper freed out on our brake disc change on our VW Golf 19 TDI. Then we'll bleed the system in, and then we'll give her a wee test run, and that's our next step. That's just a wee holder for holding starter motors. This occasion we're using the caliper just to get a better shot of it, and holds the brake caliper in place better. So that's just the way you do it, cleaning and freeing out the rear brake caliper on your VW Golf. So our next step now, we're going to put her back in and bleed the brake system, and that's our next step.